How to get approved for a real estate loan, video 2. Hi, my name is Damon Newbray. Welcome to the Red Loves Real Estate YouTube channel, the home of Real Estate Damon and the home base for real estate solutions and education. So this is the number 2 thing of the 4 that's most important when trying to get a real estate loan. Now, we're going in reverse of high priority to lowest priority. So we're at the second to lowest priority item. If you want to know what the first one was, go look at the last video of how to get approved for a real estate loan or mortgage. The second to last item that is most important when getting a real estate loan or mortgage is your job or income track record. So your job or income track record mostly determines how much money you can borrow, although it determines other things when your other factors aren't in line with what the bank is looking for. So it is a big item, but it's second to last, so it's not as big as most people think it would be in hindering them from getting a mortgage or real estate loan. And most people don't really understand why this one is important, other than you need to make some kind of money to pay off a debt. But listen guys, the banks are looking for this. They want to see that you've been consistently working in the same industry for the last 24 months, not the same job. So most people automatically think they'll be disqualified for a loan because they changed jobs or they had a month break. It's not that simple. Let's say you've been in the warehouse industry for the last 2 years. It doesn't matter if you were working at Amazon or if you were working at Best Buy. They just want to make sure that you have been working in the same industry to where that your job skill is protected and less risky. They're not as concerned about your job as in your ability to secure another job if something should happen to your current one. Usually if you left one job and there's been a 2-month gap between that job and your new job, if you get some kind of letter of explanation together for a bank, lots of times they can look past that and still get you approved for a loan. Now, your income is going to come into play on both loans, that being a mortgage for a home that you'll be living in and an investment property. So loans for buying investment properties, we call these commercial loans. They're not for commercial properties per se, but the type of loan is a commercial loan. So don't get those two things confused. Now, these types of loans, commercial loans, tend to be more asset based. For instance, if you're looking to buy a property that's already producing cash or some kind of cash flow, in some cases, the banks will add that cash flow to your income to make it easier for you to qualify for the loan. For instance, if you're buying a rental property and a tenant has been there for 24 months, this is a great situation for you to take advantage and leverage with the bank and get some cash flow. Now, getting back to commercial loans versus owner-occupied loans. Commercial loans deal with investment properties, not just commercial properties, but properties that you buy that are considered investment assets. The underwriting, which is how the bank makes sense of approving you for a loan, is done completely different. For owner-occupied loans are loans that you're getting when you're going to actually live in the property. Those loans tend to be very strict on the borrower and the borrower's profile. Whereas with commercial loans, the value of the real estate will play the biggest role. With that being said, number 2, or the second to last item in the priority list for getting approved for a mortgage or real estate loan is going to be income or job consistency. Now make sure you be on the lookout for the next video. Go ahead and click on that bell so you can be notified when it drops, because I'm going to give you the second most important thing that lenders are looking for when they're approving loans. I hope this helps, and as always, if we have the will together, we can build together. See you in the next video.